Hi guys, so it's Friday. I just got off work a little bit ago, but I do want to show you guys. I got my nails and toes done today because my friend's wedding is tomorrow, so I want to show you guys real quick what it looks like. So these are my toes. I know they're ugly. And then these are my nails. They're so pretty. I'm getting ready because I have to go to her rehearsal dinner. She said to dress casual, so that's what I'm going to do. Is dress casual. So yeah, I gotta get ready for that. And then, yeah, Maddie's at my mom's. I have no hairspray or anything. Babe, we might have to stop by like a Walgreens or something so I could get hairspray to spray my hair. Huh? Because I want to wear it down and curly because I don't have time to straighten it. So I have to put hairspray in it so it doesn't get poofy. Why are we going to my mom's? Hi guys, so I just got back from the rehearsal dinner thingy. And Josh and are you okay? Josh and I are going to be in the wedding. So yeah, we had to practice that. But yeah, that's you. That's you. Yeah. Anyways, I gotta go to bed because Maddie's getting picked up early tomorrow morning from Josh's mom. Then I gotta go to Target, return some stuff, then get some slides for when I like dance and stuff, and then yeah, I have a lot of errands to run. So I will see you guys in the morning. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is my friend's wedding. Sorry, I'm trying to fix my tripod. Today's my friend's wedding, so I'm 100% most likely not going to vlog today. Only because there's nothing to vlog. Like, maybe I'll vlog getting ready for her wedding, but other than that, I probably won't be vlogging much today. Like I showed you yesterday, these are my pretty nails. They're like a glittery pink. And I love them. And then I also got my toes done. Trying to figure out. Maddie is getting picked up at 10. Anyways, so my sister Jackie's doing my makeup. I can't do my makeup at all. Like, I'm not good at doing makeup, so I was just gonna have her do it for me. But yeah, so I have to go to Target, get a bigger size in heels, and then also buy some slides to wear for like when we want to dance or like, you know, walking around, because my feet are gonna get tired, so I don't want to wear heels the whole time. So that's gonna happen. And then I also need to grab some hairspray from Target too, to hold my curls in, and eyelashes. I got these ones, but I want to get another pair. Oh my god, I keep sneezing. Ugh. So yeah, that's what's happening. I do want to show you guys what my sister got me for Valentine's Day. She's like the best, honestly. So I will show you as a card, but I don't want to read what she wrote just because it's like private and to me only. And it says, "Do you work at a coffee shop? Because I like you a latte." Isn't that so freaking cute? I love it. And then she got me these lifesavers, which Maddie already dug into. She said because she saved my life. And then she got me this Real Techniques by Sam and Nick Rebel Edge Trio for bronzer, shadow, and highlighter. Love it. She got me some fuzzy socks. I love fuzzy socks. They're so comfy. Another pair. Ooh, girl, I see you. And then she got me these Burt's Bees Micellar Cleansing Towelettes. 3-in-1. Removes makeup, cleanses, and hydrates for all skin types. And then she got Madison some cards to work on. Stupid Josh. She got some cards to work for Maddie, like word cards, you know, which is gonna be perfect. Then she got Madison this NASA shirt, super cute. This AC/DC shirt, oh, I love that. And some black leggings. Super cute, guys. And then she also got me this Soap and Glory Vitamin C facial wash. She's literally like my best sister ever. Hi guys. So, sorry I look like a pile of crap. But we are on our way to Target. I'm like obsessed with my nails. Like, aren't they so cute? We're on our way to Target. We're gonna go and return my shoes, get new ones. I gotta get slides so I can wear those after, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go do right now. We're kind of a bit on a time crunch at the moment. It's already gonna be 11. We gotta go pick up his tux, go to Target, and then go to Famous Footwear so I can find some like slides to wear. I can't find any at Target. And then we gotta get back, get ready. We have to be there at 2:30. Dylan's mom said 2:30. 2:30, 2:45. So, I guess we got a lot of time. Oh, I gotta do my hair and makeup. But yeah.
Jennifer's still doing the makeup?
She is. Gotta put my contacts in too. Oh, I hate wearing contacts, like going out, you know? Because then I forget about them and then I end up falling asleep because I'm too lazy to take them out. Like, I'll like remember I have my contacts in my eyes as I'm about to fall asleep. And then I'm like, damn it, I'm too lazy to get up, so I leave them in my eyes. And then it's like a mission getting him out the next day. Okay guys, we just picked up Josh's outfit. And it's a suit, babe. That's not a tuxedo. A tuxedo is the ones that like have a bow tie on it. So we picked up Josh's suit. So now we're gonna go to Target, get a pair of shoes that fit me, like the right size I need, and then if I can find flats or something to wear there to after, like, because I sure as hell I'm not gonna be able to wear heels all night. Like, my feet would die. I give myself 2 hours max, and then after that I'm gonna be like done with them. I've experienced it before. I wore heels to work and I just sit down all day. My fucking foot was hurting so bad. Okay guys, I just got back from the store, so I'll show you guys real quick what I got. It's gonna be 12. I should probably get ready soon. So I got this Cake Natural Styling Extending Hair Care, and it's the Holdout. And you can get this from Walgreens. It's hairspray, and it's supposed to be like a healthier version of hairspray. And it's animal cruelty free and vegan. So it's called Cake, and it's a cute bottle. And then from Target, I got this Conair like travel brush. And it's like the wet or dry hair flexible bristles or whatever, so it won't like damage my hair, like it won't rip out my hair. And then I got some Vegas Nay Grand Glamour Allure eyelashes. So I can't decide if I want to wear the Ardell Mink ones or these ones. I think I kind of want to do these ones though. They're just like really pretty. And then I got us a travel, I got 2 of these. One's upstairs though. A travel lint roller. I got one from H&M, but it like sucked really bad. And I'm super excited to show you what I got too. So I got some Adidas slides for after like when my feet start to hurt, because I'll last like maybe 2 hours and then I'll be done like with wearing heels. So I got these pink glitter Adidas slides. These are super cute. And then I also ordered some Vans ones too, because they're, well, if you order 2 of them then you'll get like $10 off, and the Vans ones were like 25 and these were like 32, so I was like, might as well order them and then get like 10 off. So it ended up being like, I think like $48. I don't know, but I got a steal. So those, I had to order the Vans ones and they're not going to be in for like a week. So yeah, but these are so cute. I'm so excited to wear them. And they're extremely comfy. I like really like the pink glitter. I'm like super like girly. I don't know why. But yeah, so that's that. I'm going to wash my makeup brushes and then like get my stuff laid out that I need to wear and style my hair, and then when my sister comes I'll have her do my makeup and stuff. But I'm gonna wear my slides right now because they are super comfy. Yep, look at those, so pretty, huh?